What's the meaning of ANC? ANC. 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 ANC.
ANC stands for Active Noise Cancellation. It is a technology used in headphones and earphones to reduce unwanted external sounds by generating an opposing sound wave. This opposing sound wave, also known as anti-noise, cancels out the incoming noise, resulting in a more immersive and enjoyable audio experience. ANC is especially useful in environments with high levels of background noise, such as on airplanes or in urban areas. With ANC, users can enjoy their favorite music or podcasts without being disturbed by outside noise, leading to a more comfortable and productive listening experience.